Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use improved cooling system for gaming on Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's begin. The good news is that the improved cooling system works always, like there's no way for you to manually enable it. However, you can make sure that it is always on by going into settings, scrolling all the way down, going to advanced features, in here going to game booster settings, and right here switching from game optimization from balance to performance. Now it will make sure that your phone will automatically try to run your games at the highest possible frame rate with the highest possible performance, meaning it will get warmer and warmer, meaning it will automatically use improved cooling system more often. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.